Hi everyone. In today's lecture, I will show you the other function of the Primavera P6, which is of global change. So what I have to do, just click on this Tools tab, then go to this global change, or otherwise scroll down this whole tab and find out the global change. When I click on this global change, it will open this tab. Now, what is the main function of the global change? It is basically a command or you request you make to Primavera that if using the statements like if, then, or else statements. Let me show you what you have to do. These are all the defaults. So, what you have to do, you want to create a new one, just click on this modify button. After that, it will open this new tab. After that, you see the select subject area. What I have to do, just click on these activities. Let's suppose I click on these activities. The global change name is increased duration. Let's suppose I click on this activity and you scroll down. There are different other types of the options also. At that time, I just select only the activity count or the activity ID. After that, you make a command equals to, does not contain, ends with, starts with. There are multiple commands over here. Let's suppose at that time I want to give a command equals to any activity ID equals to value, mean, rev, or completed. This is the command which I am giving to the Primavera P6 interface. That if any activity ID or the activity which is completed, then what you have to do, you have to just, let's suppose I select the duration. You have to make its duration by multiplying. You can also use the multiple operators. You have to just divide its duration with 2 or specify any other number. Let's suppose by 3 also. The other thing is that after that, this is for the activity which is only completed. Now for other activities which are not created, so what you have to do for this, there is another command of else, that the remaining durations of that you should have to just multiply, divide, or subtract. Mainly this option is really not used in the construction industry. Mainly I want to just let you know that how this global change option will work, so that you can able to create any project in which they ask about the global change. So how you will create the global change option in the Primavera P6. I will repeat again that how you can create this. Just go to this tools tab, then go to global change. After that, go to this modify button. Now you can make any command whatever according to your project and the requirements. After that, click on this ok button, and then there is a close button. Before going to close button, you can also make apply changes. When you apply the changes on the project, all the activities or the changes appear on this activities tab. I hope you understand this lecture.